Hello viewers, hope you all are well. Today I'm going to show you that if you are facing this problem, so this video is for you, that you are using a website and it's redirect to your apps. That's so boring. Now I'm going to just showing that I'm going to on YouTube. Look at this is YouTube and its mobile version. I'm going to desktop mode and I want to go to my YouTube channel, I mean YouTube studio. So when I'm just going and click on this white studio and it's redirect to my apps. So now I'm going to that how you can prevent this situation. So okay, at first this trick is for all apps which is redirect from browser to your apps. So prevent this situation, you have to go to your phone settings. I'm going to settings, and from here you have to go to apps and go which apps are redirecting from browser to that apps. Now I'm going to on my YouTube apps. Here is the option that is set as default. Okay, now click on it, and from here you have to go to supported URLs. From here always default that in this apps. Now we have to click on always ask. Okay, that's finished from YouTube, and now I'm going to this Y2 Studio apps. From here same do things from Y2 Studio and go to URL supports URL and click on always ask. Okay, that's finished. Now check it again that is it work or not. Go to Chrome. Now I'm click and again that youtube.com. look at now here is in desktop mode. So from here you have to go to, if you want to go your YT Studio in desktop mode, just click on YouTube Studio. Look at here always ask. From here just you have to select which is you want to, you can always use or just once. I'm just click on just once. Look at here is that option. Okay, so no more today, bye.